Speed of NQ74. Speed of NQ74.
Alrighty then, how about now? Mic check, mic check. Alright. I see the microphone audio mixer is working now. Welcome back to another live stream. I'm going to apologize for my throat. Still a little bit, got something going on. Let's see. Let's get into our new layout. Don't forget, trading is risky, but if trading is for you, this might be the place for you. Cyborg trading here today. I'm up 6K. How's everybody doing? All right, let's go. Training, bottom left. Made some adjustments, getting ready for the hide and cheat competition known as the Robins, who is still taking their sweet time to get me my account. All right, so we'll just trade my normal account here today. So we took a loss yesterday, and I came back with a vengeance today. It was one of those, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes you gotta go. Relatively easy today. Good speed. I mean, good speed today. Hardly saw the X's over the chart nearly all day. If I turn on the overlay and the text, I mean, we got hardly nothing on that. Let's go top left. So really just sticking to those masher opportunities. How many people have been following in on what I've been talking about between those standard deviation lines? Somebody also brought up really cool way if you want to use your region drawing tool to go between standard deviation 1 and 2. Press the right button here. Here's my region tool. Oops, that's region tool. Is this one? There we go. So you can highlight this section. And let's change the opacity on it. If you really want to adhere to the rules that I've been talking to you guys about, if you want your absolute best opportunities, so I'm going to change this opacity. Let's try 50% here. It's looking pretty good. I might go even higher. About 70. So to really highlight that zone in the center to stay out of. I like that idea. So thanks for whoever posted that into the room there this morning. We were going to automate that for you, but hey, it's just as easy for you to do it yourself there for now, while you guys wait for us to go ahead and automate that in for you. But so this is basically the no man's zone, right? If the histogram is inside of this colored space, color it whatever you want. Obviously my default region drawing tool is that gold. I don't know, that's the golden zone. It's probably the gold if you stay out of it, which is a little bit weird, right? So I might want to do a different coloring for that. But really stayed strict with that today for me. Took plays when we were touching peaks out here. They stand out a lot when you are not, well, we haven't hit that one there, but places where we came outside and then boom, wait for those enigmas. Oh, the enigma was sweet today. I know a lot of people were crushing it. We saw some of our members hitting over 20K yesterday. I saw several over 5 figures yesterday. Great job. I see some 5 figures today. Amazing work there for the crew. I hope I can get to 5 figures. I'm at 6. We've only got about 40 minutes left in the trade day, so I don't know that's going to happen. There was a beautiful moonshot I already missed out on coming out here and jabbering away on the ones. Let me go down here bottom left so you guys see what I'm talking about. So yeah, so 2 ways to play this. The Enigma moonshot to the long side. Either way, you get in on that. Beautiful work right there. Now, this is moving up very quickly, so I'm going to be looking for a racquetball play. I want to be looking for some plays in the opposite direction. There's an Enigma. I'm going to go ahead and take a shot at that. Currently, shorts are favorable, so a little bit dangerous for those, but I'm going to go ahead and give that a shot. Remember, we are going for T1s when I'm going against favorable direction here, so going to be a T1 only scenario. All right, coming to the back. Yikes, and we get a break. Okay, so I'm gonna wait for a little push up before I close there, but that is gonna be a loss right there on that one, and I'll close it out right there. Go. So a little bit of a blanker there. Again, shorts favorable. It still seemed like a relatively good time. We had the peak pop up right there, so it was okay for a shot, but didn't quite get it on that one. This was the good one, but I was too busy jabbering away trying to get our live stream going here to have caught that one. But normally I'm going to take almost every single one of those moonshots. Been working really well for me here today, even with my sore throat. Another beautiful play up top here. We just saw the double cross, double move. Look at that nice straight leg up and into it. Boom, and then all the way up to that target. Let's get a measurement on
speed of NQ76.
The woulda, shoulda, couldas. We take that, that's a 37 tick play from a double cross, double move up to target one there. Plus, of course, you had the Enigma moonshot back behind it. Beautiful play there if you're not like me trying to get set up for a live stream. Very, very good play sets going on right there. Okay, remember, we are shorts favorable. Best plays are going to be to the short side for right now. And watch for the MACV section to go red, and then we'll be looking for plays in that direction for the best plays to the short side. First down the Robbins. No, I'm still waiting. Robbins is not responding to my emails. Just kind of adheres to what we've already said before. Very mom and pop shop, and yeah, kind of a waste of time. You know, one contract with 10K, craziness. But yeah, as soon as they give me my account, we'll be going in with that for sure. All right, so let's see if we can get to, I'm going for a 10K target here today. I'm going to up my size. And let's see what we can do. All right, so we got some potential retailers possibly getting off sides right here. I like to mark up my caves. Previous cave is going to be above us. It's going to be right here. Cave below us. This is a pretty smooth area. So wow, it's way down here. Already marked up for me down below. Yeah, retail getting off sides there. Nice play. I got my finger over the sell. If we start to break and I hear audio box.
Alpha Omega down NQ on the 2.
Yep, I see it. It's coming down the high time frame as well. There's my audio box cue. Wow, I got slipped. Whoa, I slip ticked so bad on that.
NQ on the 2.
Oh, that is awful.
NQ on the 2.
That is awful. So I'm trying to press the button right there. I got slipped big time on that entry. I'm going to go ahead and close out right there. Adding about 300 bucks there. Should have been more like a $500 play there. Reaction time a little bit slow. No surprise. Come out here on a live stream and it's going to happen. We got audio box coming in there. We had retail get off sides. How do we know that? Right. We had the green markup. I've told you guys before, like assume that on a white cross scenario, if you are trying to figure out which play and who got on what side, white cross typically going to be the retail size getting off sides or getting their stops run. And then the follow-up though behind it, there's the big guy coming in with the red and they take it on down. I enter in on the break of the secondary Alpha Omega with audio box, but it went so fast I got slip ticked, ended up entering in way down here. Craziness.
Speed of NQ88.
All right, so we got a little Enigma holding that up here. I got my finger over the sell though for some continuation. Give me any reason to get adding to this position and we'll go. Too quick for me to react on that, but audio box taking her straight down. Beautiful.
Fib.NQ on the 2. Alpha Omega down NQ on the 6. Harmonic NQ on the 2. Alpha Omega down NQ on the 2. Speed of NQ 142. Alpha Omega down NQ on the 6.
Okay, shark back pushing up into, let's see how it reacts to target 1. Coming back up into that cave. I got my finger over the sell if we touch that cave. I'm looking at the ones there. I need to get you guys on the right screen. Bottom left. So there's the cave mark right there. We went into it. Boom. There they were. So if we come back up and touch into that, that's a spot for me to get short. Hopefully I see an Enigma. Love to see a red Enigma somewhere in here. And we'll go with it. There's my touch of the cave.
Speed of
Gonna wait for an Enigma or some other signal before I get big on it. Excuse me, I apologize. Puffed right into the microphone. My apologies. We did just get a blue Alpha Omega up on the 9s, so that it's not good for my play right here. Wait for a setup. Okay, there's a shark. Shark back play entry would be right here. Double shark back, same location, right about here. I'll add to position.
Fib.NQ on the 2. Speed of NQ 98. Speed of NQ 98.
Yeah, don't use time charts. Amen. You miss out on so much in the time charts. Okay, coming to the back of the shark, and I'll take that target. That puts me at 7K on the day. Beautiful. Beautiful stuff. Just playing the video game.
Here comes the money.
Finish it.
Enigma short on the NQ 1. Divergence NQ Alpha Omega down NQ on the 2.
Oh man, look at her go. Oh, there's my Enigma. Way too, wow. Okay, I'm not getting to have any fun. I'm too busy over here playing with buttons. There she goes, baby. Whoa, look at the speed. Speed is at 252 BPM now. It's a beautiful 7K day. I love it. All right, Enigma caught her at the bottom, popping her up there. This is when you need a fast computer. So a lot of people are like, Vinny, I don't know why you say I gotta have a fast computer right now. Right now would be a perfect example. Let's check to see if there was any news that came out here. It is 3:28, so we're not even at the bottom of the hour. And this is just an absolute drilling. So somebody tell me news. Go to the newsroom here. And let me see what's happening here. Again, I'm not usually a big news person, but this could absolutely be something news related.
NQ on the 2. Fib.NQ on the 6.
Let's remove drawing objects real quick. Remove all objects. Yes. Control R. Remove all drawing objects up top. Yes. Okay.
Down NQ on the 6.
So, got a new set of downs, ladies and gents.
NQ on the 2. Fib.NQ on the 9.
Let's look at the higher time frame. Top left.
Alpha Omega down NQ on the 2. NQ on the 6. Enigma long on the NQ1. Fib.NQ on the 2.
Okay. Where's there's S1 down at 18,265.75 for targeting.
Fib.NQ on the 6.
So fast.
Fib.NQ on the 2. Alpha Omega down NQ on the 6. Speed of NQ 680. Enigma long harmonic NQ on the 2.
Finish him.
What you say? Oh, that you only
Enigma short on the NQ1. Harmonic NQ on the 2. Alpha Omega down NQ on the 6. Harmonic NQ on
680 speed on the ones.
Harmonic NQ on the 2. NQ on the 2.
Okay, we're printing up top here, so you can look for plays now up top.
Alpha Omega down NQ on the 6.
Okay, there's a pink, so now we can look for a play right after this. Let's wait for a play. There's I got a red Enigma.
Short on the NQ.
Okay, I'll take an Enigma. Yikes, okay.
Enigma long on the NQ1.
And then I get Enigma long, the yikes. Big time slip.
Enigma long on the NQ1.
Got slipped on that big time.
NQ1. Speed of NQ 754. Speed of NQ 754 harmonic NJ on the 2. NQ on the 2. Divergence down NQ on the 9. Fib.NQ on the 2. Enigma short on the NQ1. Harmonic NQ on the 2.
All right, I'll take another 1K on that. Puts me up, let's see, we got about 1,200 on that. That's 8,340 for me on the day. Playing the video game that we call Algo Box. Here's bottom left, where that began. Here was where I started to get in short on that right there. Here's that double Enigma. We saw the high side play first. What did we see? Step through like this. We go top left.
Fib.NQ on the 400.
So up on the top left, what gave it away? Boom, we got a pink 16.3. You guys know on the blues, we're looking for a play to the long after the blue. On a 16 pink like this, now we're going to do the opposite. So we're going to look for the next play after it. I got the Enigmas down below. Had to take a stab. Now it got slip clicked. Yeah, I was like slip kicked, but my click, I got slipped. Market's going so fast right now. My PC's keeping up, not too bad, not falling behind too much. I'm gonna actually set this to real time. So here's a little trick while we're talking about things here. So let's come in here and go to NinjaTrader, and I'm gonna right click and set priority to real time. And again, take your pick. If you're a person who likes to set it to high, set it to high. I'm going all the way to real time, mainly because I know that OBS actually runs in high, and obviously I'm live streaming to you guys in high priority for OBS, so I want to go one step higher for my NinjaTrader because, let's be honest, it's a little bit more important that I get my trades in time, right?
NQ on the 1.
All right.
On the NQ1.
Let's see if we can get to our 10K.
NQ on the 2. Harmonic NQ on the 2.
We got 30 minutes to get 1,700. 10K in striking distance.
NQ on the 2.
Let's go.
DCDM NQ on the 1.
Hey Andrew, thanks for saying hello. Thanks for dropping by anyway.
Harmonic NQ on the 2. Harmonic NQ Harmonic on the 2. NQ on
all right. So, same play. Let's watch for an Alpha Omega.
Along on the NQ1.
Then let's look for our play on the lower time frame.
And 48.
Remember, don't fiddle in the middle. Where are we right now? All right. So let's be patient. Our play will come. Plenty of time.
Harmonic NQ on the 2.
Hey, what's up, Jansta? How are you, my friend? Okay, that 16.3 was, we got a pink line there for us, so should tell us where. That's going to be at 18.32875, 2875. So I'll be watching that number on my lower time frame. I'm going to go ahead and mark that. Come down here, bottom left. Okay, so 2875 is in this crab. So right around that white line-ish. Okay, there's retail getting off sides. Might be a spot to start getting short already ahead of time. They may not get all the way back to that alpha omega line. We'll see. Waiting on an enigma to show up.
Harmonic NQ on the 6.
Oh, that's a beauty. I'm going to pass on it, but I could take that. Let's see how that... Oof. Followed up by an enigma to the long side. I'm not interested in long right now.
Harmonic NQ on the 2.
Too dramatic of a move there. I'll hold for now. We are definitely forming a zone here. Let me take the psychology module off. Yes, I'm quite aware that I should not be trading right now because the speed is insane. Okay, we've got a zone here. Draw up our zone. Yep, that was a nice PRZ short there.
DCDM-NQ on the 1.
Okay, here we come. Are we going to get to the white line? There is a double cross reversal right there. Touch me up there one more time. It got to target 1. Is it going to get all the way across the zone? Okay, I'm going to add right there. Okay, so this is a DCR top of zone play here, and then that's we're assuming that is retail getting off sides there as the move comes up. We'll see if we get down to the bottom side of that zone.
NQ on the 6.
That'll be our target to add another 1K. Get all the way down there. Get all the way down there.
115.
Get all the way down there. Get all the way down there. Oh, don't do that. Do. Let's see if I drew this properly. Probably made it a little bit too wide. Yeah, the end of it's down there. It actually got there, didn't it? Get there. Touch me. And taking another one. We are $500 away from 10K, folks. That is a beauty. And I'm a beast. Oh! You know that feels good. You know it does. Yeah, you do.
Enigma long on the NQ1.
Smoke weed every day.
Harmonic NQ on the 2. Speed of NQ 236.
Oh. And that enigma said Ligma Enigma. Right back up into that zone. Beautiful. You want to see why I play those? Why I draw out those zones? That was such an easy play off a DCR. Remember, on a DCR, double cross, top of a zone or bottom of a zone. Target 1, middle of the zone. Target 2, opposite side of the zone. Playbook. Wouldn't say classic, but I would say algo box playbook. You can't do that anywhere else. Only on algo box. Get you some.
What you say?
Harmonic NQ on the 2. Harmonic NQ on the 6.
Stop it. Get some help.
Speed of NQ 205. Speed of NQ 205.
That was easy.
All right, we've still got 21 minutes. 21.
Harmonic NQ on the 2.
All right, we are directly in the middle of that no man's land. You should see that, right? If you got your screen set up, let's go top left here, right? We are, I know it's tempting, right? It's tempting. Don't, okay? In fact, keep your hands off the triggers right now. You're following me. Of course, I'm talking to myself. I'm not telling you what to do, folks. I can't tell you what to do. I can't tell you how to trade, blah, blah, blah. You know the drill, right? Y'all are just listening in on my personal conversations to my younger version of myself. I'm telling you, Vinny, take your fingers off the keys. In fact, go smash that like button real quick so you don't touch it. Right, we're not there. We got around 60 people hanging out here. Let's see if we can get 60 likes. That would be awesome. Take your fingers off your buy and sell buttons here for a second. And go smash that like button like a boss.
Enigma long on the NQ1.
That way I can verify that you're not touching the keys there, Vinny. Don't do it.
Speed of NQ 132.
So we'll wait till that pops out of that little golden zone area there. I don't like calling it the golden zone. I almost want to go change the color, but I'm too lazy. I'm not going to go change it right now. Hey, what's up, Isaac?
Speed of NQ 135. Harmonic NQ on the 2.
I think there's some way to anchor that in place here. Locked. Actually, I think that sticks it and it will just float back. Not really a spot. You can't really set it. You need to add that feature to NinjaTrader. Okay, this is that whole Medusa effect right now. They are tempting you into a direction.
NQ on the 2.
Careful.
Harmonic NQ.
Okay, that's moving fast up. Racquetball plays are coming, right? They're moving quick up. Smash that back wall. Okay, we're in a play now. We can take the next play. Where is our pink line? Did we touch it? Yes, we're back at that 16.3. Okay, up and above it.
93. Speed of NQ 100.
Shorts favorable. Good for a play on my ones down below. There was a nice, it's not a shark tail, but that is a PRZ cross, but not really. It's not in the zone. Right? That's really, you'd have to be nervous you'd be nervous playing off of that there, but there are two
on the 6.
crosses there. So could be that short off of the back of that PRZ target there on the crab. PRZ, I'm sorry, HMD. Look at that HMD target. Very nice. Get that movement. How big was that? Okay, that's about a 40 tick drop. 39 horseshoes and hand grenades. Let's call it 40. So our next moves, we have potential 40 tick targets now. We are $500 away from our 10K target. Let's go.
Speed of Harmonic NQ 151.
Okay, we're in play.
Harmonic NQ.
Trades are on.
Alpha
Let's see. Okay, there's my first spot to sell. Waiting for a turn. Okay, there's a turn. See if I can target the front of that shark.
Alpha Omega down NQ on the 6.
Boom, there we go. Target's filled. Down to front side of that shark. Also came in with a green dot for the target. I was a little Little soft on that one. Only 4 contracts. Very nice. What's that? 9, 8,
208.
40. We are $260 away. I'm sorry, $160 away from 10K. Let's go. Let's go. All right, gonna up my order size on this one. And on the bottom side, we had 2 green Enigma breaks on the ones. Here we go, right back down into the zone on the ones. Bottom left.
Alpha Omega down NQ on the 6.
Cross in the zone. We did just get a 15.1 Alpha Omega green up top on the 6. Have to respect that. Got to be careful. Could be looking for a long right off of that
NQ 205.
any moment.
Harmonic NQ on the 2.
But remember, favorable direction. Okay, we're in the wiggle zone now. We're in the no trade filter zone. Okay, I'm gonna try to be disciplined. I'm gonna hit this last one and want to get to that 10K.
Harmonic NQ on the
Let's
2.
do it. Let's be disciplined to get there,
NQ on the 2.
so we can pat ourselves on the back for it too. Top left. There we go. No trade zone, right? Let's wait. Let's wait. The rubber band will get extended. We'll take our shot.
DCDM NQ on the 1.
Okay, there's a green line. I'm sorry, gold line. Oh, are we going to get there? Oh, I wanted to touch that so bad.
NQ 270.
Let me show you what I'm talking about down here on the ones.
NQ 270.
Bottom left.
Harmonic NQ
So,
on the 2.
you know I wanted to touch that short, right? Came right up into it, had a lot of speed. Boom, touch, boom, boom. There it was. There's my 10K right there. You only needed 10 out of it, and it gave me 25.
Harmonic NQ on the 2.
Okay, there we go. We're good. We've got an extension. We are in the trade zone. We are in the play zone. Plays are on. Okay, there is red number 1. Wait for the next play, and I'll take it. The Alpha Omega touch. I'd prefer that to be pink, but at 11.8 on this level here, that's good. We're in the play zone.
Harmonic NQ on the 2.
Why am I getting a spinning dial?
Harmonic NQ on the 2.
Okay, we're good. Let me check to make sure I'm not getting... Yeah, not falling behind. Okay. Trade filter's in a good spot.
Fib.NQ on the 2.
We are a minute 30 from the 350 algo. Oh, thank you, Curtis. Holy crap, bro. You're totally right.
Enigma short on the NQ1.
Dude, everybody make sure this is turned off of your PC, okay? It's just like a gamer. You need that off.
180.
Mr. Roman, hold on one moment, sir. We're about to get to 10K. Say, let's go. Say 10K, let's go. 10K, let's go. That's right. We need a cross. We need a cross to make it a moonshot. Give me a cross. Oh, okay. I'm going to take that one. I'm way behind it. Just give me my 140. Okay, I'm entering in on that cross. Got an Enigma behind us. What do we need? We need 140. 350 algo coming in 30 seconds. That could be dangerous.
Down NQ on the 6.
No. Is that going to be a trap? Dadgummit. Okay. It's impossible. No, it's definitely not impossible, buddy. All right, let's see what 350 algo has for us. Could be dangerous. I'm well up on the day. I'm risking it.
Omega down NQ on the 2.
Okay, my PC is falling behind. I can't react. I am up over 1,000 something. There's my 10K, 10,370. I'm closing it. I am closing it right there. The perfect entry would have been off of that alpha omega right there. Combo, combo kill. Get you some. And for those who are still waiting on the broker statements, yes, of course, I'll give you a broker statement. I'll give you yesterday's and today's. I know I didn't get out there and get it last night. Sorry, my throat's all jacked up. Give me a break. Don't worry, they'll both come today. Have fun with it. Oh. Yeah. Mr. Roman, you want to come say, oh yeah, on the microphone?
Fib.NQ on the 2. Fib.NQ on the 2. Speed of NQ
Oh yeah.
on the 2.
Nice. High five.
Speed of NQ 482. Harmonic NQ on the 2. Alpha Omega down NQ on the 2.
And that weird little guy, yeah. What is that one? Scorpius
Alpha
Rex?
Omega down NQ on the 6.
Oh.
Fib.NQ
what's
on
that?
the 2.
Concavinator? You want the concavinator? And the Indoraptor?
NQ on the
Okay.
1.
What's that? Proceratorosaurus? I never heard of that one. Proceratosaurus. Proceratosaurus, alright. And the T-Rex needs his friends? Okay. Sounds good, buddy.
Fib.NQ.
Oh, that is a beautiful 10K day, ladies and gents. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
Speed of
Get
390.
you some. Hold your ears.
Harmonic
Oh.
on the 2.
Yeah. All right, Lucky Sevens coming up in 30 seconds. Lucky Sevens. Final 7 minutes of the trade day. Where's the trap? Find the trap. There's a double enigma. It's early. Okay, normally if we had the trap prior, double enigma to the long side, and we hold it till the close. Right now it's still early. We still got about 15 seconds. Wait for it. Be patient.
Harmonic NQ on the 2.
I'm putting it right back in this zone we have identified before.
NQ 220.
You know the drill. Double crosses on the top, short. Double crosses on the bottom, long. Stop on those crosses quickly. Target in the middle of the zone or the opposite side of the zone for target 2. How long do you spend backtesting? I have explained thoroughly thousands of times backtests are wastes of time. You guys don't pay attention to my videos. Crazy. I mean, if you want to drive for Uber, it's cool. I appreciate you guys. Backtest is 1/4 of the full process of a fully automated system. And a walk forward test is required. And at the end of the day, your automated system needs a risk management strategy along with it, which is what all of my systems have, which is why we are #1 in the world. And everybody else is just pretending. Yes, bow, exactly. BBQ Sizzle, just to put it B-O-W. That's the first 3. And then I add in the Practice Optimize, Walk Forward, and Monte Carlo. So if you're looking for the final, the MC. Monte Carlo, in case there's some crazy outlier Monte Carlo simulation, we'll figure that out for you as well. Just to make sure that you're also not like working off of one of those where, you know, well, your backtest, you don't happen to show you some big percentage numbers because of some major outlier or a series of winners in a row. So randomization of your results through Monte Carlo, and NinjaTrader has all those built in. It's pretty cool.
Alpha Omega down NQ on the 256.
Yeah, I mean, the thing is backtesting is the very beginning. The backtest is like, that's like step one. Like, you can always tell when somebody's, you know, a baby to this, when they're like, hey, where's the backtest? You're backtesting. My backtesting is that your backtesting means nothing. Backtests, that's step one. You're talking to a quant. Like, the backtest is the very first thing you ever do. It's like, wah, 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 wah. It's like being a mathematician and figuring out how to do addition. Yes, on day one, you learn how to do addition, subtraction. Okay, but when you start having to do calculus and, you know, some advanced trigonometry, any of that kind of stuff, like, you kind of need to know the basics first. So your backtest was a long time ago. That just tells you if you have an edge. Now, beyond the edge, you've got to have optimization, walk forward, and Monte Carlo, right? And then risk management strategy on top of that. Because the market will throw you a different map just because it worked recently or it worked in the last X number of days or last year or whatever. The markets change all the time. There are quarterly changes, there are weekly changes, there are daily changes, there are hourly changes. So I adjust our system so that it doesn't matter.
Fib.NQ on the 2. Harmonic NQ on the 2.
Anytime, any plays based on use speed, use time, use trade counts.
on the 2.
Risk management strategies on top of great entry point strategies like this beautiful Enigma moonshot going on right here. Look at that. Look at that.
Harmonic NQ on the 2.
Come on. Yeah, and you can see the build up right here. So they took all these contracts and then bleep, bam. Beautiful. Need an ICT impersonation? Listen to me, guys. I'm the best. Trust me.
Speed of
I mean, my sons live in trailers, and I'd be living in a trailer if you guys weren't buying my turds. But, you know, my daughter works at Chipotle. My son works for Frito-Lay. They rhyme, so they're obviously thebomb.com. And, come on, guys. Follow me. Just trust me. Listen, I know I'm trading micros right now because I blew my fucking account in the Robins, but just trust me. Okay? Got to shorten the bonds. Okay? If the market tanks, I'm going to win. If I don't, well, I'll just tell everybody, well, my dog got sick. My mom ate my homework. My dad got out of jail, shot me in the butt. You know, something like that. That's why I didn't win the Robins, okay? But I was going to get 11,000%. I promise. I promise I was. I was going to get it. You know I was going to get it.
Harmonic.
Y'all know. Y'all know I'm the best. Trust me. Just trust me, bro. Use my just trust me, bro's trading strategy. You don't need no track record. I know all my track records go to 0, but come on. You know, I could have one that would maybe get on the leaderboard. You know, take that screenshot and be like, see, I was on the leaderboard in 1993. But now it's 2024, so hopefully I get on there so I can take a picture because my students, you know, they're running multiple accounts like Alex Salignagi. Yeah, Vinny called him though. Yeah, Alex Salignagi. Yeah, he's one of my main students. You know, I did that interview with him and he was like, you know that word 20,100,000? Yeah, you know 20,100,000. That's a real word. Where he comes from, 20,100,000. It's a lot of monies. So 20,100,000 denaries. Yeah, you know. So he said 20,100,000 in my interview, but what he really meant was, you know, I'm my best student, you know. And so he's got him and his sister and his mom's accounts trading in the Robins right now. So either way, he's going to be like, listen, I told my mom to trade the Robins, and she follows my strategy too. So listen, look, I taught my mom how to do this, and look at her, she's on the leaderboard. Oh, and if she don't make it, don't worry, my sister's on the leaderboard too. See, she got on the leaderboard. She's good, must be my trading strategy, right? Oh, look at me, my Alex account got on the leaderboard too. Ooh. Gotta be good. Oops, one went up, one went down. We're trading both directions? No, I'm trading uncorrelated instruments in the same direction. Yeah. Yeah, nobody knows what that means because we're ICT students. They're all stupid. They're all stupid like me. They don't know shit. They just like, oh, look at me, I'm on the leaderboard. It must be good. I heard it from ICT. Oh. I heard that the YouTube algorithm really likes it when you have like no outro or anything and you just like cut the stream